Whenever God wants to make someone great, he has to break them into pieces first. When the foundation is unstable, it must be shattered to rebuild something unshakable. Growth demands sacrifice. Comfort will never bring you to greatness. The breaking is not punishment, it's transformation. A caterpillar doesn't evolve by clinging to what it was. It's crushed, dissolved, and reformed into something capable of flight. So when your world collapses, understand, this is not the end, it's the beginning. You'll lose people along the way, not because they hate you, but because you've outgrown the places they feel safe. A wise man once said, "It's better to walk alone than to walk with those who are going nowhere." Greatness isn't given, it's earned through pain, persistence, and a refusal to stay broken. Remember this, life didn't break you to hurt you, it broke you to rebuild you.